Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Ako po si Mark. Isa po akong salesperson under Andriga Realty. Right now, kung isa ka po sa mga naghahanap ng bahay at lupa, especially sa Cavite area, we are offering house and lot in Carmona, Cavite. Ang pangalan po ng property na ino-offer namin ay Brighton Residences at Oakwood. So this is a part of Carmona Estate. So if you are familiar with that, ito po ay nasa phase 13 ng Carmona Estates. Ngayon, yung house and lot po natin ay two-story house and lot. It consists of 4 bedrooms, 2 toilet and baths, as well as a garage, balcony, kitchen area, and living room. Ngayon, yung lot area niya is around 104 square meters. And for the floor area, it is around 100 square meters. And yung mga advantages natin for this property, of course, since it's Carmona, Cavite, it is not flood prone. So, hindi binabaha dito sa location na to. And then, at least 17 minutes travel time papuntang expressway or SLEX. So, madali kang makaka-travel papuntang Manila or either going south. Malapit din siya sa PUV terminals. Okay? Kung alam niyo yung Carmona Estates, alam niyo na malapit siya sa Carmona Market. And then, also, we are offering a promo para dito sa property natin na to, na mga pre-selling. So, meron siyang 40,000 pesos worth of gift certificate, so DEXO certificates, that's upon move-in. So, kung interesado ka, pwede nating i-discuss kung ano yung mga availability ng property and pati na rin yung mga sample computations. And if you check dun sa background ko, andito yung isa sa mga sample computation natin sa property. So again, if you are interested to invest on our house and lot property that we are offering here in Carmona, Cavite, don't hesitate to send us a message or send me a message here on Facebook. And again, my name is Mark, a salesperson under Andriga Realty. Have a great day.